Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 5 for the both sides to cancel about the root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 5. We have 5u to the power of 4. First derivative of x to the power of 4. We have 4x to the power of 3. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0. Because this one is about number 2, this is about number 4. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. 2x to the power of 3 dx we change by this one. So u to the power of 4 divided by u, we have u to the power of 3 du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and then we put about c. So number 2 and number 4, we have number 8. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.